Blavatsky's view of nature as sacred. A quick blast of Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Blavatsky's importance lies in the way Theosophy framed reality as a layered spiritual system rather than a purely physical one. Even without direct environmental policy language, this kind of thinking changes how nature is understood. If the world is alive with spiritual significance, then forests, mountains, animals and landscapes are not just resources. They become part of a larger sacred order. This is one reason why Blavatsky can be associated with environmental thought, even if she was not an environmentalist in the modern sense. Her influence helped normalize a way of thinking that resists the sharp separation between humans and nature. In that sense, she contributed to a spiritual ecology of sorts, not ecology as a scientific discipline, but a worldview in which nature is integrated into a meaningful whole.